Okay, now to take care of cleaning your screens, I would recommend the best way of cleaning them, because they are quite difficult. It's not like you can really wipe them down or spray them here in any way that's really going to get them clean. The best way really is to take your screens out if you are able to. Every screen is different in bathrooms and bedrooms. But the best thing to do is to take them outside and to hose them down in your yard or, on your driveway, wherever you can do that. But that's really the best thing to do, is to just hose them down with quite a, with some water that's quite forceful, because you want to clear those little tiny squares in your screen here, and they do get clogged, because as the dust and the elements are coming in, then it gets clogged, and you want to make sure that they're nice and clean for you to look at as well every day when you walk into your bathroom.